Hey, what's going on, guys? Shri Kanase here, and today we're gonna be talking about a quick tip that can help you increase your conversion rate by up to 3%. And this is one tip that I did not apply on my main store for a long time. And as you can see, this is one of my newer stores, and I don't have many sales on this, around $600 ever since I started. But if we scroll down, you can see that this store has a ridiculous amount of conversion rate, which is 11% on this particular day. So we'll be going over exactly why this store has such a high conversion rate and how you can make a simple change on your own store so that you can achieve this high conversion rate. So like always, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and join the growing family. I'm basically providing quality videos every other day, and hopefully these videos are helping you throughout your Shopify journey. And like always, hit that like button and let me know down in the comment section what kind of videos you want to see so I can put more videos like those out there. So let's begin. So we're here in my store, and I just want to go over from the beginning until now when I began running ads for this particular store. So if we look at March 1st to March 11th, you can see that I recently started doing ads on this store, and I don't have many sales, just 680. But if you go down, we can see the conversion rate for the entire time since I began doing ads is only 2.81%. And even this is higher than the industry average, which is around 1 or 2%. And there's one particular strategy that I use that allows me to have such a high conversion rate. And on some days, as you saw earlier, conversion rate goes up to 10% and even more. And the surprising thing is I do not use PayPal at all. So for not using PayPal, I'm pretty sure you know that this is an amazing conversion rate. And as well, as you can see, the average order value is also high. And I think a lot of the credit goes to this specific strategy that I use. So let's jump right into the strategy and see what I do to have such a high conversion rate. So we're here over on a website called conversionpirate.com. And this trick is actually very simple. What we're going to be doing is making a slight change to the checkout page, and the change is outlined over here. As you can see, we'll be adding these things to the checkout page. The customer bar over here, so they will know exactly what step they're on when doing the checkout. So as you can see, there are 3 steps. The first one's customer, then shipping, and then finally payment. Another thing that is included in this tip is that we'll be adding these lines of text which has a fire emoji to begin with, and then it also says an item you ordered is in high demand, but no worries, we have reserved your order. So what this does is this specifically targets those people who are already on the checkout page, meaning they have already shown interest in your product. And what this does is just increase that interest because we're putting scarcity right on the checkout page. We're letting them know that the item is in high demand, but we have reserved their order, but it's only reserved for 10 minutes. And this timer over here, as you can see, starts at 10 minutes. So not only does this add scarcity, but it also makes them want to check out faster and complete their checkout so that they can purchase the product instead of losing the product. And some other things that are on this page is the satisfaction guaranteed bars over here on the bottom right. As you can see, there's a specific bar added which says why choose us, and then it tells you that there's a 30-day satisfaction guarantee with money back, and then over X amount of successfully shipped orders. Now, if you know me, you know that I do not like to put any lies on my store or lie in any way to my customers. So what you can do is change this amount, and it can be easily changed with the code that I'll be providing, but you can change this amount to have the real amount, or you can take this out overall and just leave this one on your website. Either way, you're letting the customers know that their payment is safe, and on the bottom, as you can see, they have the security badge for it with all the payments accepted. So not only is their payment safe for 30 days, but this will be a guaranteed safe and secure checkout. So when all these things come together, it just makes the trust for your website increase in the customer's eyes. So what this does is it lets the customer know that they should be checking out from your website because 1, it is safe and secure checkout. 2, their money is safe with you for 30 days. And 3, the item that they're trying to purchase is in high demand, and if they don't purchase it now, the item may be gone forever. So this is exactly what I have used in my own Shopify store to have such a high amount of conversion rate. And let's jump right into my own Shopify checkout page and see how this works live. So as you can see, we're over here in my own Shopify store and I'm on the checkout page. I won't be showing the top half of the screen because it does include my store's name, but overall, as you can see, I have included that specific code on my store, and as you can see, it's a very professional, sleek layout, and it makes the customer trust your store much more. So the customer will be checking out the same way as they always do, but the only addition to your checkout page will be these things that I outlined. And as you can see, the timer is still running, and the order right now is reserved for 8 minutes and 46 seconds. So again, as you can see, a very simple addition to your store, but a very powerful effect on your overall conversion rate. So I'll have the website where you can find this code down in the description below. And like always, just hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. This value that I'm providing, I'm sure you won't find it anywhere else, and all this information is for your own benefit, and I'm sure this will help you a lot if you do apply these things that I outline in the videos. See you next time.